Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nori Aqua channel. In this video, I will be reviewing the Chihiros WRGB Series 2 Slim 60cm LED. The version that I have is an Australian version, which includes the appropriate electrical transformers and adapters. According to the manual, the power output is 36 volts DC and its advertised lifespan is 50,000 plus hours of usage. The advertised luminance for the 60cm variant is rated at 2400 lumens at 45 watts with the help of 40 LEDs. This variant of the Chihiros Slim series is IP43 rated. This means that if the LED ever falls into the aquarium, it will fail. The light is constructed in an array of two, totaling of 40 WRGB LEDs. As you can see, the light stands try to mimic the new ADA AQUASKY RGB 60 series. From my perspective, it's not so bad, but the design is not so original after all. The power transformer is a 240 volt 2 amp AC input and a 36 volt 1.8 amp DC output peaking at 64.8 watts. If you ever have used IKEA products, you would recognize these. Included are Allen key style screws that are used to attach the stands to the light. These lighting rails allow you to fit the light onto an aquarium larger than 60 centimeters. Sliding rails are there just in case if you ever have an aquarium that's slightly larger than 60 centimeters. Before even turning it on, I have to say that the overall design is very similar to the ADA AQUASKY RGB 60. The light shown here is set to 70% brightness. As you can see, that the result is pretty stunning even if the brightness is throttled. The Chihiros WRGB Slim Series 2 is a very good light overall. This only costs a third in comparison to the ADA AQUASKY 60 LED. It's very good value for money and has features not found in the ADA AQUASKY 60, such as Bluetooth functionality. Overall, I would recommend this as an alternative to the ADA AQUASKY 60 series. And there you have it. Please like, share and subscribe to the Nori Aqua channel. I'll finish this video off by showing you a cinematic. See you next time.